ya na friend aksa ya ya ka won sem aka Mate mi do so ye pa kire say why expose omo why expose aban no adwuma eku a wo hwe na ban bone na yi so no wa expose omo say nsem bi omo keka fa sa aksa nsem no bribe sem no nte saa ne na sefo nti set saa de a omo mfa nkrata no mra na obi ankenkan no ohu bi enti Martin Amidu ni mfonyini da ha saa so na say governance must create a society of opportunities for youth. One ekasa asem yi opon kroma ofuase ayire BMP na ekasa asem we say abandie say wutimi bu man no e okwan e be fa so e be ma youth na e ba no mabunu na e ba no omutimi enya nnwuma ye na nye say ubu man na mabunu no no kurani adwuma a efata so omoye no omuntimi enya bi enye shake up at national security said the menu aka graphic fufuro mu daily graphic mu no the all kanyina no the okan no ebia so na wahanti uto the delegates so a ubenya bi no akenkan shake up no aba security semunu mu no o say Ghana Bar Association CJ cross swords over legal vacation trial order. Mosha the akoso Ghana ha no eye CJ Chief Justice or partner say judges ni bi emra mediasem wa bra on say omota ko legal vacation a judges na duru bebi a ya omukokwaje omo ahome kakra na omukwaje omo ahome a omu isam normal cases bi gu on mo a omu yi a judges ba ku mienu bi e some court bi e ma omu boa edi asem nanso no we no de omu nyina na say Ghana Bar Association a lawyer for kuo no omu say the CJ say some key issues bi a omumra ayi no omumra medino omumra court omumra medino eno de omuka say omu ne CJ no Chief Justice eya adwen a na omoboa eno na Chief Justice nso omu say omu ete into skoko e de akere Chief Justice no say de oye no omu ani enye ho nti wo hwa Chief Justice Bafuboni ni mfonyini eda ha no mo de medi twato ha no eye I'm not going to court at all. Atachia weye adubu ahen. Case ya omudi no high court. Na all kase ono no because of sa you know Chief Justice de abano. Enya de ono bedi so nti nya de a court pa de. Enya de a obekọ wa bra yese court ewo ahomijie mu no woni de okase obekọ a no oboa nti eno no ma memfa the informer ko akrata no emfa entos na informer na eba mane ese minority ese omu de omu interest nyina ya accountability e wo gold board won sensemu etia ora afanyo mark ene de ato sem jamfia nu se we enye ibia ne mu becheche nsemu emma omu ente asem e wo hon me no ene nsema che se wo de etudwa na citizens must feel economic recovery and na che se ora I friend Dr. Gideon Boakon and they are to abide him say Ghana for say economic recovery omu feeling na omu say sika I then aba omu ebotom ewo ho na University Ghana Association of University Friends Administration and now more alcohol strike eno ye kan ho asem woni na no e pay gap e ho sensem ne ade say omu enhwe na o market asem no omu nya ho adwuma emfa emomu akrata an ebo hu amana Ghana Bar Association and so the one I'm a Chief Justice ewo honum now Galamsey steals Ghanaians children peoples abandon classrooms for 1,000 mining jobs nyame say no dey we Galamsey nyansa ase nko and say yo nyansa ase nko and say di da chi say free ensem Galana enura me hwe video bi nkwala ketua bi pa o mo ajesu wa o mtina yes na say ye bi ye ma kwan kra de primary for no asay ko Galamsey site ya nkwala kitinkiti no mu go bebrebe o mo ye Galana ade minia me toaso ha na me toaso ewo the news center or say 400 new jobs airstrips roads take off. Yeah, some. There are some normal. Come say, Daman Chiefs youth hail Ibrahim Mahama early progress. Now say the Daman for no. Omo ayemfo no keka omo tipa ma ono de omo kanyina ne se no kura ni nyamie ni Ibrahim Mahama wone ne na yi no na wone ni company no omo baje sa Daman mine no omo baje ye no kura ni nyamie ni mu ni wa hyase ye noma nipa wa fo omo Daman kromo one ne surrounding areas na ankasa kura 400 and wa fo omo adwuma. Now, Bonso, Utimu say, Oma Kwan, so was Shas, say, while you Oma Kwan who Juma, Amamo, Entino, Nukreni, Omo Bo Ibrahim Mahama, ene ni company no, Abaso den, Ewo Honoma, Otobia, Oto, the news center, Ubenebi Akenkai, Mahama shakes up, security Semuya, was a national security no, and also Oto, the news center, Ubenebi Akenkai. Now, the idea also, IMF urges quarterly power tariff review. IMF was start emra bebre biomu. Almost say nka 3 months bia quarterly. You make sure say yensa ye tariffs num say electricity bill na asefo no. Omo nka yensisem ene water bill na asefo no. Na say Ghana nso de obi anim say nka ka nsisamu dia. Ida say ebesisam akoye nim ana ebesisam abeachi. Ba ye Ghana pa de okọ nsisamu pe na akwa se de bi esisam koye nim nko a. Na samo fo aso say omu betutu electricity mu eno nso the IMF no kure ni nyamie anim ni. The Morganographic the new center mu die. Meka say Ishaq Alhassan no kwaji abo meka say me ya adwen a na me boa kwaji abo kwaji abo me pacho me pacho we him pe SDA church to rescue government abandoned agenda 111 project. Yes, SDA for ba rescue Ghana for yes sir agenda 111 no aban entiminya dey emfa nsan konko kekaka no SDA for say omo ba be rescue ye omo be boa ban na amaya ye sa agenda 111 hospitals ni nyina na say no kure nyame ba SDA for timi ye sa de dia na senka ye be bo omo aba so pa minua to
okay me da se odi
na se nyame na ma memfa discovery
okay
emfa to so discover yeah emfa to na eno na defense national international youth day na ekoso no you say 2 million youth jobless as Ghana marks youth day na se oba Ghana han me se mrantie ne maba mabunu no 2 million eni adwuma ye say enzo still na ye celebrity dey ye celebrity na se ha adwen nyame e was say adwuma se de bia me kasa adwuma e ho na ye one responsibility no who is supposed to give the youth jobs why a public sector a government a senior na say education sector so na emo ya adenti na yensisem na enko ye jenipa ni wi on so betim dey
that is it
na economy no so mo part no aban so unketi enabling environment enfa ma youth no
nti o ko so o pa de esen ko ma adwuma pa de nke ya aban
yeah
wo hwemu pa de a emramu de esen ko ma adwuma pa ya aban nanso no say private companies no so ho no mo a private no so ntimi ntontwene kwesi private no mo enu am papa bia say wo hye ema private companies no omu ha omu no mo adwuma timi koso no omu no timi afa nipa no mo na timi aboa because uko de tire prama private companies no fa adwuma no mo because
of those things cheap labor edos one Ghana how
no
yeah cheap labor does one Ghana
that is it
because nipa ko on timba geni o out if you unya
bi nye o ba o ka se mema 50 cedis a utumi cabbage
now the cabbage
utumi cabbage
just a much cheap labor not dosun
so
ewo kromia because of ejuma say the education system so na mo at the system na nya mo
asem no wo no
nipa ne ewia makoshi no on so timi aye bibi so we timi aye bibi
ebesinne SHS ebesinne still I fa I general as for the baby reading for the baby.
Is in Kata Nigeria.
Technical schools no technical schools no pono. You for reading for the baby because of say and no man kola na buy the tia e dia bana nkola no atimi aye den and no man omo de besua saa nneoma no and the resource persons no omo mekere no nasefo no.
Okay, odi asemba ko wan say DVLA e da betu just say 75%. Our mujika no mu the fake license nenam.
Serious.
The one
75%
who is responsible for this? Saturday we pa who is responsible for this? Say 75%.
Nipa 100 jina ho no ma.
Emu 75.
Emu 75. 25 pen okuta genuine licenses.
I DVLA.
Omo hwehwe mu omo
discover na ebo ho amane. E wan see galamsey activities. E wa akemo dance as say Brem River. Ama say honsem no I deja. E wo ko dinyame when I meet us na nkata be aye na ye see because situation no awre e hardwen pa. Right me as a chiani anko. Auntie me ran career hospital no na say department disease control department me boss na say say ma mentia me boy no mo disease control department nyina ma menfa entia e mo na say Frank Frank ma menfa entia emfa emma no ene omo inside wo nyina omo ye attachment ne clinic as wo nyina so
okay, mame so menchia
say shark chia nko
mame so memfa menchia nkonkoma nkare zungufu nyina toase group ya nyina nana ye peje mu ye chiao sade esi sena efata sa nso na abu akwazongo that is chief sani ye chiao ene obi bia wo abu akwazongo bia na especially mamemfa mensa nuto ase wa na menchia owo me anti Zainab owo me wo to ase sia anti me ma me chiao to ase zongo me chiao ofa ke me ofa me chiao sanso na me wife anti me muna me chiao na me nsew no monso obarekese me chiao mu nyina menua me da ase
gh.com.
Kwami Kofi Kenata vitamin D vida hotia ani woti ompa muma mede ene muma ene nempo atu madinjin beda amenda mankuti ne yuma mele anopa jado fo akontinu metu bisulu no makoni yinabi edume yina maye bi abira no makoni yinabi nasiri na muano na umeji na mane etimetina ma afya kwa botuwa matanzina ma wababa mama mtakra wasende bocha mokwa moflomo sonso mama mama meni mungase Lord have mercy on me you know about mentase Lord have mercy on me mama meni mungase Lord have mercy on me Lord have mercy on me Lord have mercy on me Miti mo frasha singing na ma minjini ni eda seni me mo biaka wa I wouldn't say that seni ama wake kama mateno au na yesencheni Nina wa you me ya usakana Afidi media chat ure filmana papa akayeda media chat sadia mama dawa yura awa mama mento wende kama ewado papa ama minji window the street I hot nana you biara meni da ofanda you biara meni da oka etimetina ma afya kwa botuwa matanzina ma wababa mama mtakra wasende bocha mokwa moflomo sonso mama mama beni mungase Lord have mercy on me you know about mentase Lord have mercy on me mama many say, Lord have mercy on me. Lord have mercy on me. Lord have mercy on me.
Show this morning. Mickey Mike Engineering and Bedin come on penning for about.
Lord have mercy on me. It's more fresh as singing. I'm a meeting in the dance. Me Jimo Biaka. I wouldn't say that dance. I'm a walk it. I'm a matter. I won't say shining. Me now. Wow. You mean I was Sakana.
Getting penny for Bedin come on. Mickey Mike Engineering. As a brother Beijing for the papa.
And a patch.
I only buy a bro, a mixing Roni, a dear Ama.
School no map going in a bit.
Pacho and Kukono, any M1, we ain't warm in Mickey Mike is a brother Jimmy. High efficiency ventilators. Multi-tier automated poultry cages. Nina Mickey Mike is a brother Bejibi.
What's the name of Jamon? My flowers on so
much of 4-pounded machine. Nina Quack of Fabian's word to be at the Abba.
Lord have mercy on me.
Nina Mickey Mike, brother Bejibi 020542 033115 0542033115. Na bibi antimi enko so kama. Boss about phones and electricals and paying so se brother Beji phones papa. Nefa kwedi ujuma type bia open no ubenya bi e wo bosheba phones and electricals aso ye ehonom be pacho ebia wa bia shop for na wo pe bia tu akwakoton a bra bosheba phones and electricals so sabetumi aka bi ye won carry any go filling station ni dia nem hwe number no 0557 314 176 0557 314 176. Honorable Peter Boachi e wo fia say sanso na Minio Yibo Boating and so Ewa Hase. Honorable Peter Boachi, a communications team member for the NDC. Sansona Yibo Boating, so a communications team member for the NPP. Peter Boachi.
Remember, Majoso?
Oh,
Yamadom, Demon Pai Bonti, Yahoya.
Yamiase.
That's also here.
Yamiadum, Kakra,
Number
so Inyanya said the epe.
As you go, you am crying so. Nyame baby come on. So we didn't say.
Nyame ba.
Tenedia. Ensu kra.
Okay. Right. Me da say. Oyibo machi.
Ebru. Ejana ya na famodie.
Ye de nyame ase.
Ka eja haban boni a. Abesi nipa kon so a ye pa ye ho aye huni asenem. Bibia ye basa.
Onye bibia, o si bibia ye basa. Onye bibia ma no so wani.
Bibi bay. Minua wie teacher training a open posting wa ya be pemene enso aban promise automatic posting what you say aban promise automatic posting e bin si da o mi bi da usimi nyan wie ya be
bia na o slot elbe
asma make me say o wie 2015 aye ni service a o train posting a me colleague so wie 2025 sorry 2025 na me ka year say 2015 na ade mistake 2025 2025 watching automatic posting. In Sankai, you be that Yamiba. Me who be that.
We boy.
Me try a day. And for public, I fairly say, a breach of confidentiality. Committing the Nippon number among no afraid. Not on an akasa. What I say? Area ho, a minor mentassie, and your man yet is in the fuel crack 20 cedis. Fuel air 20 Ghana cedis. Electricity bay, a bar, I said, Sebi brew, me yet coastal, fee. I said, me yet a friend say, a corn mill, and I saw mill, fee, mint. Okay. No more boy, right.
We won't check one no.
They be said the hand as a shen so. It be the go. Right, any penny for eating come and pay. Mammy shall say quickly from from the other side. Monabo minority side. And society kakra by tell na yemra ye mean in the past.
And this I be reshuffle.
Aye.
Now what will reshuffle so any.
Oh, say no crumple, I was security so be a samba.
Maybe Sebi Onze penny for say yanka ni wachi a wasi agro na ede. E na akoto se tikesi area adua. E ye buza se kwan be na ofa so ore no. Ensusu se ni ti eso nti e na wetimi ebom. Mama nka asem kire. Ghana for me. We are very disappointed in this government. Me obampanyina ke nipa medical area for airlines minister no. O ntwa tewu. And the galam say for the first time. Oh, me say dear Nedney. Edney, rhetorical, dear Nedney. Galam say not calling Diana said ye. And then for the first time in the history of Ghana, Bosumchia, a tourist site, did you know Santimemono, a month to Galam say or Bosumchinano. For the first time, I be small forest, Nini Pepe would die. Okay, to park, and I say, Amaru Shako na Dawuro. And then I be swanning the Pogumuki diggy. Oko Katie Hammond Peswasu agenda 111 Kufado, a year and fefe, a chill hope, and any Pegua, Umudi Galamsi. Mitchell, okay. Coming on Mampenny Lance Minister, some Kukusi. Edian why? Lance Minister, me Busagan near Utimi, we bobo at an pay wide, or near Huti, Galamsin of an iOS. Communication Minister, or to a day. Could I be Communication Minister or to a day? And now for 4 o'clock floor, 7 minutes, and 4 floor, it can be rich. Oh, why to say, ya two sika, oh, what to say, and your mamma when I basa. What I say, Momocrano radio for affect him. And affect him. More your call crap, the way you city to Communication Minister, or to the end. Oh, yeah, they are. Oh, yeah, they. Agric Minister, and go getting feed Ghana, I could say. And we're going to know, the state of Ankogongating. Or call a PAC, Public Accounts Committee, and say, oh, many people crash us here, rain cocono. And we're going to get to Miss Gady Shimu. When you see feed Ghana, away, feed Ghana, I say, away. On the Krawazenka Oko. Oh, just say, anti Mino, technically, me only say, I'm a mona, I'm paying my Amebuno. I didn't say, Muhuku, Fakula and Shim. And I say, Entasantasi a day. Popo abono and no the kusia no the akwakusia now offer my hammer gas on chieftaincy minister I blown one backyard a jet that won't mean so obey day Mahama Yalega chieftaincy and a local government minister or no art in future oh
much is given much is expected I feel na ya dia man sabre no na mandate
or a majority no a majority leader a majority leader is equivalent to a minister so go and read the constitution of Ghana. It will be a majority leader. The peg and the status no is relatively closer to or the same as a minister of state. What you say? On the in charge of government business. It could be a majority leader. Because he say, Bokunto Kwano, let me say a chap. You share Bawumia and why you buy you end Bakuka crisis, same baby. I could say, Niakupeja chieftaincy and local government minister, man. Oman Penina, me say be Bruminia Bemu. Enti de make up say the tintin and say aban wa mercy up and your man ko ye o just say trade and industry ho no kra na o say ko ye reshuffle me hunu de ekoso ho sa Elizabeth Fosu ajare no sa 24-hour economy na Formula 1 trade na way yɛsɛ mbɛbunu bɛyɛ adwuma no pɛ awie anwummerɛ ɛwɔ he fa monkyerɛ yɛ trade minister bɛkyerɛ yɛ 24-hour economy no formula 133 no bla bɛkyerɛ yɛ ɛwɔ he fa enti mede yɛ nyameba technically statistically enwoma agye nsɛm mu energy minister no te wɔ yɛ dɛ yɛtumi dum kanea te sɛ bɛyɛ 3 days ne deɛ meda sum mu how me pɛ kanea yɛ me businesses babafoɔ coastfoɔ mace ɛfɛ ne sɛ fitafoɔ ɔte aseɛ ɛne dress makers ɔmo yi sewing machine ɔmo nyinaa ɔmo sɛ ɔmo daily survivor ɛyɛ electricity obu ɔwɔ ɛnya kanea baba no onye obi nyini ti no agye 20 series edidi ana wonim oye bakery se wonya kanea nkofete ne paano a onse sa ada no one na busu abeda kom
think energy minister
ono re na to me busa ene fuel no eduro 20 Ghana cedis ebi 18 bi 19 ene yesa de energy levy no ya pagem who from 23 pesos to 193 pesos what we no ye
I see
media ọmọ mpanyina nkasa na mamo de dem say research ne de obechange bibia overnight by enyoma nye Ghana ni na wo from na say enyoma nye
right
enyoma nye
you may say your take on that and no Oyibo Boatin a communications team member for the NPP Rabita
nyameba
some Oyibo kan reflective
me da se pa na mamkwan menche atifo
okay
say o maje bra wo di tie na masasta so miam defo ba ko pa twanse bodi twanse na wo fe we school official 9 managing kwa
okay
the way the service wo St. Louis Training College
okay
fe na Amanda be chane pa na Oyibo asaba wo kan de ezo kabi ana wo kabi because it krom ha ana mo party for parliamentarians na ka bo mu nipa be ze wo ha eka che mo penya kufo de say oni ne wo fa ase aye kefrata free wo wan fi no sa bero na kufo no oni kutuko de kurase bana
okay
sa bero na onu a twumutofo onu a ne nkofo a onu mo ye adwuma abo parliament nipa be ko wo ha atro krata de won sara sa say ye nyi ne wo fa ase kefrata de free wo agufo do entie wanya hwe saa bere na ko no nu bibia o Ghana ha na no ni kutokura o de kura yeshim tada pasada hwe omampani nim dia oye
okay
ana oye na me se yewra John Dramani Mahamade o nyamiama esa anse se ki nya papa ne saa bere ya saa be kiase and what need die a ese ne fata de man pedefo menu a emia mini pa mia mi boss pa e ma ne bo ama ana muchala ye nyina nim de to ye pa hwehwe to ye sa na adwa na Wednesday right hwehwe to ye Tuesday okay ye nyina yesu gujama ye twajo aka wo mo a kada tie na nke appoint bi de se na na ka jo se abanyuma de wu kura de bi se na msisi e na so yewra HE Mahama atore bo ase de nidie e ma sampanifo embienu atwan ya ma afi beto so me de omu fisi ana ansa no appoint ebie na sa resafo yi de onya hwio eni nkofo a nyakopato won sa afre wo mo ana de bia de ebe se emu ana wo fa mira Ken Ejay mira Ken Ejay free aye West Housing and about Defense Ministry the first time no na yera Ken Ejay aye Deputy Defense Minister
okay
anunti na obi akwa me say ya ba second time there ono ne be ye sa Defense Minister no ana ide ma yera mane boama so it is a perfect replacement adia wa yeda no ko to aso e wo ho wo si we nye papa ana we ni fi o so
a omo a wa point a omo ne de Oyibo anhyeda nka ho asem se omo ho a ono
de Oyibo se resha fu we de nyina be bia no a e papa ko to hu de wo ye ne ho
I want the chere se omo a tete nche a onu hu so omo nye ehwe a ya ansesa
na se ye ma 4 years me boa was we resha fu na na
David
ana agro ba ofie na obe nkwaji kwahwe agro no
na so no ne ya adwin se bi nye
be je se enye se mini adwin nya adwin no e ba che se onim de nam kwan so ba
okay
e de opre no dodo
ana che se de nam kwan so ba no oyibo kan but
no onim de anti on twen onto the boss answer
okay
na won twen e de yi keneje fi on na hon nam pan na da bi ana banda mp ko hoy ko so ana ya appoint Yewura Mahama Yarega what I also want to ask you, the guy is a fantastic guy. Other chieftains in Kwa, a local government, and religious world affairs at the chieftaincy. And I best at 9 away, Mark, would I come once. And the crowd comes one can you wouldn't come. Make a catch or Yameba. Or say, the Boko crisis is not completely over, though formal mediation reports have been submitted and the government has endorsed the recommendations and increased military deployment to stabilize the area. Official mediation, traditional mediation led by the Asante Otunfo Osetu II concluded its final sessions, and the government formally endorsed the Comprehensive Conflict Resolution and Peace Report. On state of position, also the government reaffirmed the legal status of the Boko Naba and announced the development and revitalization funds to help restore normalcy to the area. What's it there? Oh, dear also. What the gun have be? But better say, I don't know for 20 BBR. Metia says, Otunfo na mama mimuso atransem so I immediately I conclude abanza jet say the okay nya pepe okonma though enye over yet, but there's major improvement. Na first na say the number because na amafo tutu ni na try the be abrase or no as one person as MP no our general basa bakufo ni na no onko ye dey Negative say what take size na.
Okay.
No, the reshuffle is better, it's good, it's nice, but there's more to come. They should wait for more.
Okay.
But I'm also about remember by the end of this month, me say you will see a major shake-up.
And now I shall see it.
From ministers to everywhere.
Okay.
It is happening live in Khaled. And don't know what I'm to pay. But the Oka Fire communication minister and trade minister in also a Hewada or Tiasia.
Okay.
The 24-hour economy no, is not under the trade minister, behold you.
Okay.
And the presidency.
Okay.
And what I
Yebra share to talk.
Good. What a Yebra Tano or Tino Echo a family party first. No. What kind of and this is time.
Okay.
Miss Tamana runs the free zone. Yejawbia waten ho gusitano
yeah
ono na dano sisi ya ohwe steer the affairs of the 24-hour economy no it's really under the office of the president. Please I began to say under trade industry and this and it's ongoing. Mekane bia said the 24-hour economy no it is not an event but it's a process. A process kakra na fe abegina pinti na obi a wo sa ade ekoso and so ade yesu na jankopon we are seven years before
okay me that say
you must always go by the principle. A process not an event oyibo ti asesa
right. Katakyie 90.9 FM suni igusuni perifo edin komo na yanko na fe yenhwe
number quick rebata
okay
mikra publication bu ha
okay
obi also bet my phone na what di HD
okay
on 16th December 2025 the Mamprisi into Mamprugu bracket close site led by the overlord the Nairi Nabuhugu Mahama Abdullah Shariga formally rejected the mediation report on the Boko chieftaincy dispute presented by the Asante Otunfo Osetu II to President Mahama. Reason for the rejection: procedural flaws. The Nairi stated that the parties were never consulted on the final conclusion before the report made public. deadlock claim. Mampugu leadership maintained that the mediation ended in deadlock. It can be a deadlock or what you say. What is the word deadlock? I say. It moment you have to say, this is a publication made by the Mampusi overlord. It don't can in a fallacy, a papabo lies. I read it. HSA report has been finally endorsed by the president. And HSA Boko is settled. The war is over. May say, it's money which has a report. The common opinion, no, and which is side back also on penny.
Okay.
What you say? Side back also on penny. It's on penny. No, maybe issue in the say. You know, Mama Yalega with free sir. You know, Mama Yalega with MP for that area. No, going to solve conflict. No. Now, as I come the chieftaincy, Minister for Local Government and Regional and Chieftaincy Affairs.
Exactly.
At the time, I know him.
Yeah, key stakeholders, sir. Key stakeholders, no. He is the number one stakeholder for the area.
Okay.
So, as a member of Parliament, in the capacity of the rep for the area, you have to call the two parties. You listen to their grievances, then you put them together, then you solve it. But they are rather accusing him, they are rather accusing him, say, he is fueling. Okay. That is a part of the Mampusi. Yes.
Okay. So you are not interested.
So to me, my perspective, no. Yes. Obia wait me mediator. I didn't hear command chieftaincy minister. On one can the catchment area, Krano. Went man solve. I didn't hear command the entire nation as a chieftaincy minister. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It was catchment area. The Wakra Unyamiba. The Hayakula Mount. I was sad disqualifying from holding that ministry. I was sad and disqualifying from becoming the chieftaincy minister.
Okay.
That is my position on that.
Okay.
Obia will listen say they are making a valid. Ufie kula went mama diji. They don't go to asafano ana domano ana wait mama diji. O mami ensa ana enai uno mutifie kula went man control mu. They don't go headmaster ana principal ana wait my day. That is my take on that.
So let's move away from that. Now, you know that. Okay.
So obi would be assembly. Na afanase asan odi ne won ti ase a eche se wonya hwe se de ke ko 2012 bra yi ka se won ti ase no se de ka hwinsi ye ka ye se ahono ntokwa ho iti na eti say abrase that's the most important thing so we want ase se obi amfa ho
but the brass no na o che se the contribution to a brass ye ne saying
no na se o ye MP
contribute hwe
o MP o se mra.
Okay.
Ana also I was a probobi. Ana ko so emu ye mienu, adwo che mienu. Or the side of this on the side. On the one ko dan fifi an. Say obey bias.
Okay.
I don't think asante ne otumfo or straight to the second. Actually na see so oka asem no. Wo part say yera otumfo aka asem bi no mama nsa ka bi wana. I got him otumfo na no modu.
Otumfo kan na ben. O starting one
side. Oh, at all. Even in your time. And obey ye or mama time. Ojas here so 2-4 na mua atune asem so ka asem na wo de no compare mama Ghana
anti de oyibo pese o kire ne say me pese wo de na no besi ba bi so on that de ono no pese o kire ne say enkrofo board so bo say o hye efa bi achi eti se no yampo se nyampo
bia ka fa ho bia na ye dituma
o kire se yampo se nyampo ebinu mutimi ebo no sa so bo ne de ni se ka mo mpani kra. It is a
Debbie, I don't say you're wrong.
Okay.
They say what you mean because you go. They see from
the other side, who is different?
Aha. And to make one of baby say why you see ya. You into mana.
Because all your rest so much in the fee. Ni fee oboko your rest so much no.
Na say to kwa na moku na.
Bisa no so your rest in the fee kwa much no. So it means say wo as a member of parliament the debate on this. Me say me review on this. Me say the guy or the man or the member of parliament doesn't deserve that portfolio.
He did.
Mama reasons, you know. These are the reasons I'm
there. As a minister for
now, who fear go to Mama Leji? You that who fear or a chieftaincy minister, and the issue in Bokono, a chieftaincy issue, and I want him.
Say BD the BH.
Yes, it will fear go to Mama Leji. At the end of the entire country, bet Mama Leji. Who fear get away? What Mama Leji? Now the entire country bet Mama Leji.
But say court beat media.
And you know, say, I say, circuit court 20 ma and a high court. As some know, say circuit court 20 and a high court. But circuit court settle me. Circuit court me settle a parties in you. Both the prosecutor and a prosecutor and the accused person at home was and
the major say
set mama let me come out to for
wait circuit court krona judge BT asem biswa it be kase asem we ya ma woni ya mani pa ofra bedi circuit court krona wa bra yenyi assembly free
based on me if conflict of interest based on me a prosecutor and I'm a accused person based on the nyame be ya me to me so say nyame ba wo person yes
good
so I will officially write to
sa issue no na person onya the day
and I say sa issue no as a member of parliament no you are not there for one side. You are there for the entire people.
And
what about? Oh,
so the
issue is who want man solve as a member of parliament now. It means say how can you solve the larger chieftaincy issues?
How do you know say one contributed to the
no contribute to engage in the VA. And I'm engaged in the VA.
Is not just for
okay.
The ministry is not just for chieftaincy. That's about it. Foundation of Christ Ministry and pay kwa kobompa ye. Ewa apostle Emmanuel Jeffia so know how be higher ye akoda no dia. Ye nebe hini afere ntem ho a. Oje ne fa ho de ye adwuma ho no. Frɛ number no 0249006262 0249006262. Mama sha we so ase. FM free wow ho menua oyibobo ate na de me ne ode.
Many problem. So ni madwuma ho so do bro ni.
Good. Projects ahodoɔ as say mo kan we sorry na agenda 111 ye gya no ho ametoa so and oba no say 24-hour economy saa ne mai ni other projects say ya kwan ye fan crofo be ye adwuma mo ye Ghana fo a ebetumi ate unemployment so ehwo na mo ben na mo mutu ya mo gya no ho again obo ba your responses to these projects say ya on all angles because say hospitals are you better nurses schools are you better teachers ya you better constructors any other first citizens ama omo abeboa you look at the transition process no you free ni say ni aba bedru say na baby you free na ama unemployment na to aso adoso ana say baby abedru na ama unemployment na adoso.
Okay. Unemployment. So specifically, are we basing on abandoning projects or unemployment?
Exactly.
Yeah, can you
because projects no and where jina year and a fan from makoye adwuma you be for necessary hospitals you be for constructors and masons and carpenters near the idea ya kwan any ya dan ya yesisi ya jijejije bi wa yesa she foforo asi ya enti say agenda 111 and I say other projects are here other professions and professionals are esa mutwa to ho no na ama unemployment no increase and I say baby omo abeduru so omo ntoa so and omo nye hohwe and omo she foforo asi and ama ye nyina because necessary omusu teachers sorry omusu e be an example we here we training college 2025 akwenya wo ho a also ere
obere 2018 onyanya school obuja gu wo saa de twen on chair kra afi do school
omoje ni ina gu on chair
ye we ni kakra
and I'm just on obu peter so
o da go no
ono ago
ono kasa
owie
I'm a we
okay
I'll check facts.
Oh, media, no
right, and some of check facts. No, me found Mega Business Center. Na yenye liquid soap papa, power zone, Dettol, Savlon, floor cleaners. Nina na Mega Business Center. Be my be near to media CC. Fear prepare hospitals near fear mu. Ye WC no near sinks nina. No patcha yem for power zone. Ni Google so. Ye di so hora be ko enwi na achi. From Mega, you are for hospital inside 0241 512 362 0241 512 362 oyibo yanko
mira mami sa na wase bi emne
akona ma be nduma na nsia
enya we metim da ye ni nyina ya de amamu ho asset and liability.
Good.
asset no yɛ sɛ yɛgya wɔ japade a wɔfa yɛgya wɔ car wɔfa ɛti yɛfiri abɛn mu no ne ayɛ domestic gold purchasing a naano yɛwura samagya mfi na no wutuo ɔbɔɔ yɛwura baomi aba so sɛ ɔno no ne policy ɔde baayɛ no aboa ma ne Ghana gold reserves no increase ɛti yɛbɛgya 32 tons of gold ɛwɔ hɔ abɛn nnɛ yɛano ma bɛtɔn bi ɛyɛ asset ɛyɛ japadeɛ asset no bi nso ne sɛ yɛkwagye IMF loan second and third tranche NDC ne kwagye yɛ ɛno yɛ asset ɛna liability no so yɛ japa car yɛbɛgya ɛwɔ akyire te sɛ ɔbapa wu a na ɔbapa esi dan a dan ne deɛ wofa ɛno yɛ asset liability no sɛ ebi ɔbapa de car ɛno so wobɛhwɛ no wakotua enti projects yɛ hyɛ aseɛ ebi ne Swami Interchange ebi ne agenda 111 wote aseɛ ɛna ebi so yɛ community day schools a yɛhyɛ aseɛ STEM schools wote aseɛ TVET nti practically the American say yɛhwɛ MPP a yɛ legacy projects a bɛpem ne NDC for entache ɛyɛ agenda 111
okay
okɔ twɛdeɛ yes ɛyɛ agenda 111 wote aseɛ ɛna okɔ trade ase a agenda 111 no yɛnyɛ ho hwɛ okɔ formina sɛ na meka keti ama adanse asokɔ hɔ na agenda 111 no ɔmo nkɔ ho deɛ tie nie yɛba abɛn mu no yɛbɛto Sewia hospital Ilojet project president kofo na hyɛ aseɛ ɛna Mahama ɛbɛto aso ba Mahama nwie yɛbɛwie bɛkwai hospital so na mbɔ Ilojet project no yɛbɛwie Tepa yɛbɛwie Fomina yɛbɛwie Kumawu yɛbɛwie Konongo o ta aseɛ ɛna ku ɛfɛ ne sɛ maka bɛkwai deɛ no
ɛno yɛ japade abɛto to aso
that is the liability mu ja to yɛ hɔ o ta aseɛ yɛbɛwie ni nyinaa yɛwie community day schools we completed almost 60 of them NDC community day schools na mama we yegu ngura mu na wantimi yɛbɛwie about 60 eti ɛno so yɛ liability ni bi eti wuntimi me kan kyerɛ me sɛ ɛyɛ Akufo Addo project nti onto aso me nti aseɛ eti me busa sɛ Dubai second phase no meba kejetia phase 2 no deɛ no mo yɛ no 1 year 8 months in office and 18 months in office ɛdeɛ no ma yɛfa kejetia Dubai phase 2 no bibusa no ɛdeɛ no ma yɛfa trade agenda 111 no afɛle military hospital deɛ no ma yɛfa ho me ka kyerɛ NDC for say excellent now no claim mo picture bi is this aflawo fe I pro na mentase e pro kwa enti ada ye Akufo na sha ase enti yenya na yenye de make ko so ye Ghana nia
but others to say Swami mo you
Swami there you have no choice
okay
you have no choice because ye loan to hodada what you say so you can't
eto Swami there
Swami yes Mrs. Swami Interchange ye loan is secure estate sa abusu akuruwa town roads ni na link to the main Swami Interchange no busa no power checking records no we started abusu akuruwa and the inner roads linking to Swami Interchange proper only 3 phases I don't say 3 phases this is the phase 2 no the construction of the main interchange no phase 2 only manner on red drawings no go through the project outlines no so Swami any chassis we started with the inner lanes I started here columns no phase 2 no mo so mo no we started mounting the columns pillars no I Google will be he's aware of that enti aban de e ento aso obeto se Akufo Addo ye japade a na se wonwie ya completed e Ghana sika enye NDC sika na enye MPP sika unemployment aban no MPP aban ye free akunya so no na ya employment massive we employed nurses over 50,000 under our watch. Teachers, almost a last minute recruitment on be cancel or more appointment letters and say, oh, any MPP for now for there, any intimate go and sit down. Labor Minister, you are a receipt paper because a crocodile they don't appointment in tea or more terminate. You have any promotion, more terminate appointment. Nti was it
that latter appointment
enya latter before we be mayor enya latter okay before we be September if say July and August enya latter okay Do you know the processes involved in appointment? May say, do you know the processes involved in appointment?
Yeah, I know.
In my real school, my national service. Maybe I'm in August. No, see a family juma. You better abentino. You family juma in Yana. Is that the perception of the Ghanaian?
Son of money.
And yes, sir, that is their mindset. Or more, you know, other Ghana, other Ghana, you know, or teacher in our real school now, or Perjuma, not nursing, you know, the MPP stick up on Maswana. And I recruitment, only say recruitment, you know, in the Mendis in Ibia, when you're MPP in Ibia, when you but they terminated the appointment. Say, you come Mungo Fiena Munkoda, intimate from Juma. Recently, year police recruitment, only the motor forms. Over 50,000, almost for 7,000 pay. Or more policy, almost share about 24-hour economy, Formula 133, see a run shift, 3 shifts. And be back on the force your friend say promise women's bank omo ka kire my mama no say yeah women's bank be creative bank nyama loan am money adwuma na money sika ai abo akoma abo am kunu no ene mo man mo fie women's bank na way say women's bank na way fa automatic post your mo share on boss here ma gina simple so e share mrantie ebo teacher for the nursing for say boss say this time no dey you will be automatically posted no ene way fa and they be twie sika so mu nya kwan nye dey enwuram ye be a portal na within 7 minutes nya cartoon bam you see ayema at the NDC based on employment there we failing totally. Okay, we failing we went man fabi the Akufo do fire no they say ye beto abenti no o so say o twin bibi say MPP for say nti Ghana ha nyina betima so sorting say MPP for nwa na efu moduma because out say nurse ni teachers nti wa wontimi nye obi so ye na oba wa ba betwam. So based on legacy projects, you better more than be. Into more to idea so any news. Based on employment, or fairly totally. Because policies are employment related policies in our fairly. Ejumewura away fa. Ejumewura be just a constituency and a municipal. Minimum be our benefit from say Ejumewura no more ka ho asem. Nebe him ni se bu ho. Away fa. Say Ejumewura no mo de ba and say you be employ you to the way. Nkukwa nkete esi ye de be mabu no munyan 40 obu akwa na me nsape ne de amana sa employment related policy papa ekufado e de baaye no ebi ni de ebi ni napco nations builders call ebi no what you say ebi ni efene say youth in afforestation mebru ko dua nua ebi ni say forestry say gas no mo wo enwura ebi ni zoom lion policy what you say ebi ni community nursing what you say ebi ni mass playing enu na efene policy the poor policy and many people my what say mass playing kwa me hu bi mfese ni omo akafo bo mo chi ko nwura mu eko spray no na etwa mo ka boso ne boy zoom lion mo ba mo betwa contract ye ma me no ye nua ma na boso ne mo 800 ne 500 no omo the contract ne fraudulent omo ba betwa mu and then fee na me ne ye afena is omo revisit to the contract na zoom lion your employment zoom lion e for be adwuma ne ma na 800 Ghana your employment ana won woni employment ana ye for be zoom lion ye boso ye twa ka your employment
yamba se aya na NPP fo nya hoden na oman fere ansa aho enya tumisa kasa ya na me hoye mo papa wo se swami interchange no na pesika to dada ana na do kara mu jaye no hwe yira government buy tie government clears $29 million swami road debt boost project with 3 billion funding Ghana cedis. Okay, the Minister for Roads and Highways, Kwame Gavins Agwaza, has revealed that government has cleared $29.5 million owed to the contractors working on the Swami Road project. He made the announcement during an inspection tour of the project on Tuesday, April 28, adding that the administration remains committed to complete the project. Sure? And I'm saying, you're not gonna afford the cabinet no loan parliament approve your bank parliament almost say to be anka and for the some interchange yes we got loan 2022 I'm a parliament approve but and that
so project
no project Libya but another debt restructuring the money delayed
okay
and now I want the car we do you say kwan no e ho contract no e do ja kwan no kra ye yɛba yɛn ani yɛ clear saa aka no asama additional funding of 3 billion Ghana cedis under the big push.
Okay.
Yɛn ka sɛ ɛbɔ start o mo start ba yɛ wie.
Okay.
Ɛbɛka sɛ ne sika da ɔda da sika da wa nkamo de ka. Oyibo know your facts. Aban no ade ko sɛ big push ase a ɔyɛ kwan no ama so amefo.
Other
unemployment
before you know now I think former president can say 5 interchanges no be Kumasi.
Yes.
Swami airport runabout.
Exactly.
Beko runabout.
Ni na kan
Santas runabout. And ba could become. It we no mu wi asan to ade aka no so na say we dey one after.
Nyameba me say Zedra Bahama say ye dey campaign o. Say ye nye project ya aka ho dada na. Ye nye new one be major bia. So in the budget you know if it's calculated common fund for crowd I catch it was say a certain percentage should go into the abandoned project.
Okay.
That is a government with vision.
I want to be a jahaka.
Yes. Na ye can unemployment ya o kasa. Hwe nyameba ma me kan chew per the budget no. Na ye percentage in terms of unemployment that 40%. And now eswate about 12.8%. Yes say edipa na yan come bro eswa by 950,000 individuals. Omo na below the red line no. Emu say 1 million abasoro. Ompe we upedai. Ye kan se ma say ye we say wow kan was nyefe na ye aye be complete. Tepa ni we dada you have no choice than to commission agogo ni nyina ni we dada you have no choice to commission. Now let me settle this case once and for all. Sure sa project project no.
Okay.
Zebra kofo kwaji loan. Say me yes project in my loan na ama esan say to kwasi o Palestine and this issue horum the loan na ama yera mama time no say dey ekopay ho sika say free one of the banks let me say Standard Chartered Bank and France here. So yes it is true say yera kofo nya sa adwen no say yes adwumade de fama Ghana for but things can be any ho Mahama 80 Mahama first time and odi we nyina e buy to fruition waba abeto eye aferi ahia yenya fnanu ahia nyameba na ye more than 90% complete
then
yes as of 2016 December obedi 8 years want to pay 10% 8 solid years want to pay 10%. Open say obi about just about 1.5 years you know only 100 hospitals ever now. Are you being fair? Tufu chogu amanfoni. Let's be objective and be frank. Obe dia bia mfie nwotwe. You see hospital do 90%. One ti be nwie efe nwotwe mu. Unya de obi dia over 1 year emfa nwie 100 hospitals. Wona hoden yakogodo e kasa wo radio so. Etia obampania wo de adwepa emu oman no. Ede mba mo ye health sector. Mo ye dai. Not even a single hospital was started and completed. They never began a hospital and completed one. Not even one. Not even one in 8 years. Not even one. Or other year, day school so and you compete 60 and you say, yeah, you must go rem. And then Mojamo Samana, Mojamina. I era, Baumeko Jana, you has, sir, and Trantia, and then Mokuya, I hammer. God, you have today and see. Marvelous, that's vision. That's vision. That's vision. All the technical schools in Yakohe, that was vision. You have no idea about education and health. And the assembly in say, Yenka say, Yabaye, Mabu Nina Yadumaye. Nemo, we say, so day at every 40%, about 12.8%.
And your figures.
And your figures. One now know that, or you say, we have Bubaka or more, or now 3 square meter day, no. a moon 950,000. I'm moving up the red line. This is positive in 1.5 years. Yes, when you become was here, you want to corner. Now, when you're on what you have 24 hours, I think people say, yeah, what's a good photo? Who say, school to say, free education, which is say, head to say, free education, be free education. You have nothing else to offer. I don't want to say, but we can say, one day, the only thing you're coming yes is here, a change of being. That's limited mindset. Now, it was a mark and a bit of a debut. It will never happen in Ghana.
Okay, but that's it. First, I'm in a Chiana, young corporate.
Never, that's far. We got the owners of you.
What can't say,
oh, there be bankers.
Message.
Never, Metia, Mia, Mesofo, Da Costa, I want to answer. And I saw for Joe also on carrier. Metia on pa, or not a team, I'm a bit do say. I must ask ya at Atlante. Ada, my own young from Mefro. Was a bonfire and I'm a bayuma. Massage wa at your tifuna. Yamba Yapon.
Right,
number which Androbi, I'm correct. I say, hospital be and Rokufado shall see the almost about 40 lists. A Contomra Hospital. Obia for the phone on your exercise. Obia for the phone on your exercise. A Contomra Hospital. Bogoso, Elibo, Empo, Insuayem. Hospitals, Busano.
And you 111.
Me say, hospitals. Obia for the phone. Me say, phone. Oh,
okay.
I'm in Gazana.
Or say hospital.
Me to watch foul phone away every section. Foul phone.
What's also here? What's your source?
Me buy me jump through. Me say.
What is your source?
As some not making foul phone. Foul phone. For my door online. Kogogo. Nebo say. Hospitals. Come me say. Mama 2 sources. Opako me gogo. Ne gogo. Hospitals started and completed and the Kufado. I'm now reporting. Maka akonto maka bogoso maka elibo maka empo insuayem wasedun kwa swami twede sablonum yobonso manso kwanta emem nkwanta kwa ben edukrom atiase tokata manso se wiyoso ashaman adenta obojo botiano metima obo the list goes on and on oduma se
mama na chia na enko
enti puta so obara se woni bibiaka akufado almost 40 hospitals 40 Kambu Omobaya hospital Omobaya Kambu me will be that tricycle aboboya plagia say eh mahama ke say de ben ya church here ne de buy una here ne de buy enti Ghana ni we Ghana ni a de make sure say NDC aban we dey were failing the reset ne dey higher settings reset na than settings and 24-hour economy nya adwuma women's bank enya adwuma automatic posting enya adwuma egokwan ketenkete enya adwuma wura enya adwuma uya Ghana niya force opa NDC de ma ono to wadwum when year 8 months agrobe so ifra no pa ono Peter Clot yakla no ono ayese pa what is this I'm telling you why say open employment and on one buy why say it we Ghana niya so for wadwum ye dey to NDC abaso now 2028 here John Efani said Dr. Mahmoud Daumia me say
employment will be
the
appointment
elevated employment what I say elevated employment
okay
but I know say me boa mamentia Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Daumia incoming president incoming president Coca chama wadno kwa pia Coca order number 1 and now mo kumia me boss secretary also the number 3 and now Oseko Itin Isaac chartered accountant
former treasurer
or regional treasurer also the number 2
first one
the deputy secretary he said the last year you call amfa by this year former year grounds here Oseko Itin chartered accountant number 2 Namachia MP Shelley Cheitiwa the most eloquent quintessential rep Shelley Cheitiwa MP for Achombeja South Ujina Parliament no kasa utim say yes very intelligent eloquent vocal na Machia party mpanyufo nyina doctor lawyer na Napia Esquire constituency chairman Ejumewura ono so Machia no na Machia party mpanyufo nyina tumi ni de yaje awie da amamu na ya amubi troka we yɛagye awie dadadadada mame nti atiefoɔ nyinaa so
We're wrapping up on the show. Yadi asida MOBB a ojibreti ano pe. Ni ada nyame so ase. Reverend Yampong.
Oh my.
Yampong.
Yɛda Nyankopɔn ase nyamba. Yɛkɔ dia na yɛkyerɛ tiefoɔ nyinaa sɛ ɔmɔgye brɛ na ɔmotie yɛn. Na me ka kyerɛ obi otie so sɛ hwɛ ho so yie na bɔ ho so paa wɔ abrabɔ a wobɔ no nyinaa mu sɛ abrɛ nyinaa be depend on yourself fully than depend on anybody that is closer to you. Because ɛnɛ adwembɔne abɔ wura nipa pii no tirim a ɔredi bɔne. Nti sɛ wo a ma w'ani ana hɔ na woanhwɛ nneɛma bi a w'anim la ho so no na obi agye wo nkwa afiri wo nsam anaasɛ obi ama wakɔdu tibea a wogye ho baabi a ɛnyɛ nti wadaworo ma w'ani nna hɔ wahoto awurade so ɛne wo so mmɔ na ɛnyɛ kama mfama mesi akyea nyame nsa wɔ mu kyɔba ɛyɛ maame Patricia mama baabi a obiaa anɔpa yi mema good morning wɔne madam Mercy ɛna afei brother Kwasi ne wɔn a ɛsa nkwan wɔ nyame nsa wɔ mu nyinaa ɔsi don't mind pata but mind the taste baabi a obi a mekyia wo paa wopɛ deɛ ne papapɛ so deɛ yɛ akɔ hɔ wei fie deɛ paa ɛbɛbɔ hɔ ama wapom so asi ne ho so yie paa mekyia wogofoɔ nyinaa ma Dina ɔne ɔba Sandra ma Dina wawo dwene wo ho na menkyia ma meɛkɔ sɛ wahyarot ne me ho kane awerɛkyekyerɛ na afei afia sɛ waa ampaafo brakatu nso anɔpa yi ɛma good morning paa Master Key wɔn nso mekyia pa mekyia afɛre kurom nti kantinfoɔ no nso nyinaa nso nyamba.
Okay, let us say. I'm watching Roger. We're faster than my production now. Kenny Bear, Richmond, Senior Mugabe. It's a wrap. After community hospital canteen for you church amo. I said I'm obibia. Nyame admo chana be sans we share. E friend me nyame ba Eric Oduro Junior ma me de akua se wa makra.